Gift a cause of you. Gift a come a class, I'm if you leave you alone. When me go up and scream with you. My biggest shooter, Mrs. them done with me. Stop dealing with me. The woman say, why you go back and scream with Rose? When Rose call you Judas and wicked. The woman a look back for me. And I'm a biggest shooter that. I'm say me no care. Cause me have your back, girl. I'm alone figure it out about games naked and we went to the hotel. I run come out the door if you want me roll and run back in the bathroom. So figure it out, could you say me shrivel? Cause me can't strip your so I make that glide I go and show no say me no shrivel. I the heap of fake this I have to hold on my belly button my maga. So the heap of fake this I have to hold on pan my belly button I'm not used to it. Cause you figure it out, so every minute I can't tell people so we not long in a bed. That's why people not believe in our series. That's why we water dogs so. Because no care what, Akeem never can't tell the people them say my Rose are there yet. Akeem stick to the program.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If me did upon the beat and as you can see upon the screen, when faking it becomes real, my people. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because a lot of people don't listen to me when me talk, you know. Because I always say, when did Fantastic 3 become 4? This is my say, as you know, the whole of them is fake because Rosealee never get invited to Akeem's birthday and get no cake. Me say my say, and because figure it out, still I try figure it out, and pressure Akeem for keep the series going when Akeem wanted to end it from like day one when Rosealee called him a fish and all of these things. So figure it out, make Dyema, you know, sweeten up Rosealee whenever she's wrong. That's why figure it out, come out and say him always defend her when him no say she wrong because they licky. So we can't blame Rosealee, my people. We have to blame the smart people around Rosealee using her. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie. Dyema went in. Listen, man, so let's like and share the video from now and let's get into it. Because she confirmed everything I just said. She and figure it out not there, just like Rose and Akeem. Not there.
Bye now. Anybody if you hate me in the situation of Akeem, you know. Cause I remember saying me come back to you and tell you Akeem business, you know. No, when me tell you a lie, you know. You say me you're a friend and me come back to you and tell you, say, Rose. Mr. Akeem come a rebel blood clot party. Me tell you know how it start. See? Since you know why me go down in it, Rose are the wicked. Me, see Akeem come a rebel party with one girl when me see Akeem a fuck. Under your cabana. See? More sure no how go people. See? The girl in my party the whole time. Akeem, anybody if hate me Akeem, cause I make back Akeem tour to Rose. I only do God no me the internet job. Me to know me couldn't know how it start. Because all I know millions don't know how jump on the top, but people bad mind Rose. I don't know how nothing start. I don't know how nothing start. Actually screw up this no nephew and give me cause I look like writers at the car so they keep. Come on, my lab, give you a moderator. For your page. And anything you see come across, you just kill them dead. Watch your scroll, you will lie some mad. Apologize to you, say. Eh? Rose a long time you don't like me, you know. A long time you don't like me. Long time you don't like me, shouldn't even come round on at all. I true me have good at me come round all you. Cause a long time you don't like me. Yeah, we say you despise we. But I go like you pretty up, nothing I go talk about at the end of the day, you don't eat Dyema. Rose, you eat me like pies. Cause when you cause figure it out, the first thing you say a long time you despise we. I wanna see you look by the go like you want to take back your talk. What me fi apologize to you for? Apologize to you because you say me see Akeem and girl. That me fi apologize to you for. When you care about my blood clot name and tell me say me a Judas and me a wicked. You're not even like nobody, Rose. You're not like nobody and me shouldn't even come around your Rose. Cause you're not like nobody. Rose, you're not like nobody at all. Let me tell her what you do. She knows you have your whole crowd of minions them. And you feel like you feel say everybody have your back. You come, you manipulate, you go on. Rose, tell me what me do you for me apologize. Bye now. Anybody if you hate me in the situation of Akeem, you know. Cause I remember saying me come back to you and tell you Akeem business, you know. No, when me tell you a lie, you know. You say me you're a friend and me come back to you and tell you, say, Rose. Mr. Akeem come a rebel blood clot party. Me tell you know how it start. See? Since you know why me go down in it, Rose are the wicked. Me, see Akeem come a rebel party with one girl when me see Akeem a fuck. Under your cabana. See? More sure no how it go people. See? The girl in my party the whole time. Akeem, anybody if hate me Akeem, cause I make back Akeem tour to Rose. Me much days and say me not talk, you know. I've been having much day seminar talk. I go so bam sang link Rosealee down a yard. Rosealee go so bam sang say to me say, oh, Dyema, you know say. Me and the man go up and road go deal with watch her sitting. And me ask the man say, if he ain't go fuck me. The man get mad and say nah fuck me. And re because as when Christmas done he done this series. Me with my enough self now. Me with my enough self go and tell him now because the road between me and you come I must say something to you. And I don't want to hear it back. With me enough self now, me I go and I'm a loyalty, you know. Actually, go down a yard for one shirt, can come. One wool blouse. Get one wool blouse, can come. So chat, everybody has stir up and it come like say me can't talk my side of the story. Here? Rose I contact me if you apologize to Rose. What me apologize to Rose for? Anybody if you have me like that situation in Akeem. Remember I go over Akeem yard and I left and got the man yard, you know. Because see the man with him business, you know. Me now, you know. I see the man in yard with him girl and all of this, you know. Me now, you know, having a myself, I say, boy, I see all these things, you know, me and Rose apart, you know. Akeem woman go over there, I go see him. That me tell the girl, you know. Squeeze the girl, I tell the girl as a girls, you know. The girl not believe me, you know. The girl not believe. Sure. Every time I leave this, and every minute my life I restrict for not at all. Rose up to talk, you know. Because I make your back Akeem business go tell Rose. I tell Rose everything, you know. I say to Rose, say, I'm showing you how me dangerous. I go show you now. I'm showing you how me dangerous, you know. Oh, when they see the girl, me know say Akeem and the girl wearing things, you know. And I see the girl in the cabana where Rose them there, you know. Seeing? I go show you how me have Rose back and I tell you, say, Rose, you're a pagan, Rose. You're not no style. You're not no sense. You see, anybody if eat me right now, Aki, you know, not styling the same. I still get him in the cabana, you know. We go so bam, so we get him a power, you know. When time rebel dance, we get him go one different dance, you know. We'll reach a port more, you know. The girl knows me know her, you know. The girl knows me know her, the girl butt off the girl, you know, because bun me, no come here and say them a girl, yeah. Worse so me know say. Worse so me know say Akeem and the girl in the things, you know. And I see the girl in the house, you know. And me want lick down the girl, you know. You say we reach a port more. I war me go look with the girl, you know. Lick down the girl for Rose, you know. Because the girl know say me know, you know, and the girl a power with you and a laugh off of you and a style, you know. And I run and I come out. I want to talk say Rose bust this and Rose bust that and I don't know where we are come from. I see some man come out and talk about sunshine, maybe sunshine don't give me no bait. I find this so the camp and mash up. Seeing? Spicy come on, spicy mix up the camp. Rose look when me and Rose go so bam. Me and Rose move in a Phoenix Park together. When me and Rose furniture going to the said van. And me and Rose moving a Phoenix Park together. Me never know if show you. Me never know where Rose are going to live. Because every time I say, Rose, you don't get a key for your house. Where you going to live? Rose say, me don't know where me going to live. Up to the day when Rose do, for show you from when Rose pre me, you know. You see the day when Rose come out, because me photo shoot, me up and down with Rose all day, me carry Rose go everywhere. And when Akeem call Rose, I say, where you go, Rose? Rose say, oh, me I go do my foot because I got church. Rose tell me say a photo shoot, you know, because Rose a be for sure say Rose a pre me and Rose in my car, you know. And me call and me say, Rose, you say to Akeem. Cho, this is no call me for, you hang up in my ears. Me say, Akeem, yes, me tell Rose. Yes, me tell Rose, Akeem, because me a girl too. Me admit to it. You have to carry the new brand shirt with the sell, come give me, you idiot?
The next one,
what you mean? And me also they're not going to the bag of selling clothes this, so you have to...
Nice suitcase, girl. I saw a short one, I see the chest them open up, see them here.
Actually, I selling clothes, them I like clothes, if anybody selling clothes. Okay. Me clothes, them look pull out while I just a job. See, anybody say selling clothes, something, me I tell you, oh, steal, you're fool and I have no sense. You go talk about, oh, me a Judas and me wicked. Me a Judas and me wicked. When anybody about me right now in the situation of Akeem, can remember me come tell you Akeem business. When me never have to tell you. But through they bother me. And me I say, me no want for nothing go bust out. You go send me the power with you. And me know all these things I'm wicked. You all your friend them know. And then tell me, say, I should tell you. They say me never tell you, because you are my friend, and certain things They know what to say to you if I want not to say to you. But through me, enough and I go like me loyal to you. Me squeeze the back and I tell you, go look for me and tell me, say me a liar and I shoot, me tell you. I discuss the whole of the eruption, you know. My vibes are for broke, me can't remember when me start from, you know. Here we in the car. I go so bam and squeeze back. Remember me a girls, you know. Anybody if you remember say me and him rose apart. Seeing I'm a girl. And I say back to the girl say. The girl come to me again, you know, and say to me, say, you know. Somebody tell him, say. Everything me squeeze the girl and tell the girl, you know. Every time I pinch Akeem business and tell the girl care about my name. So me ask her now, who wicked to who? Eh? Me tell the girl, send back Akeem one voice note. Can't call about the whole of we name. Go and tell Akeem, say, a Dyema see and dirty foot girl na bed and all him something there, you know. Look good. Akeem not care about none of way. Yeah? I work, Akeem come for work. And I can respect that. Because I'm a businessman. And we alone I put feelings in this blood clot. Like a man do illusion and a man walk. And you go tell people, say, Akeem tell you, say, fear him serious real. And for me, I figure it was serious fear. Come on now, Rose. Come on, reason about this, Rose. I find this a message delusional, you know. But I will speak up for you. I will get mad sometime. I want class, you. I tell you the truth, Rose. Figure it out. So not do it. You're not going to do it yourself. When I see Rose, you Rose. I say, go ahead. I'm telling you, Akeem a class, we. Run him to and say, go ahead. I'm telling you, Akeem a class, we. And figure it out. So, I'm not chatting, tell anything. Anything will come my mouth and tell me, you know. When you ready in company, I'm class, I'm class. In class, my face look good. Akeem not care about none of way. Yeah? I work, Akeem come for work. And I can respect that. Because I'm a businessman. And we alone I put feelings in this blood clot. Like a man do illusion and a man walk. And you go tell people, say, Akeem tell you, say, fear him serious real. And for me, I figure it was serious fear. Come on now, Rose. Come on, reason about this, Rose. I find this a message delusional, you know. I'll 40 pack of cigarette you smoke for the night, 220 pack. Rose, that's because you're fat making a maga down. Rose, be there with any of your struggles. Nobody don't know. You're ball there in, there out. Me, you up and down on the place. You talk to me like shit. I'm a bypass. I'm in a suck pussy. So me know say, me just obviously I'm mad. So I hear it right now. I mean, I rose up and leave it. It said and done. Me come back and me ask you. You say, Tiki, how wicked nothing go. So I leave because hear you talk out your mouth. You see they say. Me despite it wow no. And when you see you look bad, you take it back and say. When I really hate Dyema, you know. And that a fan. What do you when the World Cup did play? Rose hate me. Because if I say them things for a long time, me I go leave. Yeah, so we can't walk or left them. So yeah, the people I go class with. And that you say. When me in the car, I say, I don't know about your road, I go leave because I look fuck. So I want me stop say that before restriction. And you go back to the girl them. And you tell the girl them all this thing, and the girl them all really come and tell me, say, my bad man Rose. Eh? And how me I run back a Rosie clout. Remember me not greedy. Ask my people about me. And since me come in a series, me come on live so regular. When me click my live 6 o'clock morning time and come after it, anything will make me satisfied with it and go about my business. Remember say me have, remember me do promotion. Remember me sell clothes. Remember when you know say me can't dance, me still get bookings. I when you know say me all. At 300,000 me charge a show, you know. At 300,000 me charge a show. Remember all the video shoot everything and who you think I'm me elephant man call. And me charge all 3 of them. Any bookings wanna see half a TikTok and me get them. And me look all and show them for them. Come here, I try transfer everybody on the road. Me I try make good for everybody. If me in a series, and me go in a relationship, no man now go on there with me. I'm in a series and people are class and cuss me. So me say, alright, me go and do my work. And when I done my work, me go with it. So me say me can't bother with this, so I'm gonna leave this. Because remember me I look good big man, you know. I went in class, me, you know. Yeah. I mean I look good. I can't bother the fear, so they get to me so. The power dog me. Power dog me blood clad. I don't know, like me can't get man. Because boy wants me and needs me like flower. If me ever help them bring down figure it out, ask them. But tell them so me don't want to hear it. Me not care, but give me room, me take Zentel. Ask them, ask Tiki, ask them. Ask any one of them. Ask big one, ask any one of them. Me not chat him. Me not chat him more than a Rose, me tell that. Me a Rose class. Me say, but I will speak up for you. I will get mad sometime. I want class, you. I tell you the truth, Rose. Figure it out. So not do it. You're not going to do it yourself. When you see Rose, you Rose. I say, go ahead. I'm telling you, Akeem a class, we. I run him to and say, go. I'm telling you, I came back last week. And figure it out. So, me not chat to me tell anything. Anything will come my mouth and tell me, you know. When he ready in court, me class. Him class good. I keep not care about none of way. Yeah? I work, Akeem come for work. And I can respect that. Because I'm a businessman. And we alone I put feelings in this blood clot. Like a man do illusion and a man walk. And you go tell people, say, Akeem tell you, say, fear him serious real. And for me, I figure it out serious fear. Come on now, Rose. Come on, go reason about this, Rose. I find this, I say delusional, you know. I'll 40 pack of cigarette you smoke for the night, 220 pack. Rose, that's because you're fat making a maga down. Rose, be there with any of your struggles. Nobody don't know. You're bad there in, there out. Me, you up and down up at the place. You talk to me like shit. I'm a bypass. I'm in a suck pussy. So me know say, me just obviously you're mad. So, how far that day? Why me that go to Rose at the same under you coming here? Me you up and down. Me never quarrel say you broke it down. Me never quarrel say you don't know how to eat yet. When time you lick, me mash up the whole of my car back. And I made a bust the show, you know. Rose a big fan TikTok in a big in a real life. I mean, me and I don't know competition because me have you as my friend. We don't know competition with you. Everybody on them platform. Hello, baby. You big fan TikTok, me big in a road. Me I try to tell the girl, say, don't revolve yourself around TikTok because TikTok soon done. Me will go in on the street in case TikTok tell them what you say. Never me just sit down and avoid. When I see them, I avoid the three of them. When you don't see me in everybody me avoid figure it out all of them. When I move them home, I beg nobody not help me. Avoid them and me avoid Rose first and Rose avoid me. So me don't know Rose go say and give me cold shoulder. Rose don't give me cold shoulder. Rose just say me if you pick a side, is either spicy or you. Me just avoid the whole of me black spicy. And I don't call you back. All the time I text you, or when the England people them tell me say, 50, here where you go look for me and tell me, but you know, because it's a series. Remember Tyler Perry something with it. We are forged Tyler Perry. I work with the worker. I entertainment purpose we are do this for. Eh? Yes, so I entertainment purpose cause me for mark and people come tell me say I have AIDS. And I 7 months along with a man for. That's even the ground where you walk by like Akeem. Like, I work, Akeem I work. Akeem a businessman. Akeem a defending money. The only reason why I can talk about you sorry for me, you're not sorry for me. Akeem call me and tell me say, you go send me. Can me tell Akeem, say, Akeem, me know why you force me to talk back to Rose. Because not when me tell Rose is not lie. I know why you force me to talk to Rose. Akeem say, sister, now me could do this and I go look at the internet. Want this. Add Rose, cause Rose, I go send a request, I suck on me add Rose. Can me tell Akeem in my face plain, say, Akeem, anybody forget me, I not care. Don't force me to talk to Rose, cause nothing when me tell Rose is lie. So don't force me to talk to Rose.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. So you know, so Rosealee, I got snap back and all of these things. So do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.